battle cats, you may be wondering why I made this video. I made this video because I'm playing Gray's Titan cat. I'm trying to get him, so I already did it. This is my second try, so let's do it. Wait, no. I want to hit the Since they are black cats, we have to get black things. Oh wait, why upgrade? Equip. My fifth loadout. Wait, guys, I got a new special cat. It's sponsored by. Delete all of these. No, not you guys. And create black enemies only. There and what? Okay. You flower cat, come in. You. Why I never level up? Or what? I know you. I was trying. Oh wait, I forgot. Brain, giraffe cat. Forgot about you. All oopers, add them. Add all of my oopers. First, maybe. Wait, where are there? First, wait. How do you even upgrade it? There's no sound because I turned up the sound. We'll be making a video about you, but not now. I need one more. Fine, we will still get Crazy Titan cat. I'm using my glitch. Good. Flower cat. Bro is. Go. Never mind. Why? Okay, we just wasted something because somebody just did that on purpose. Okay, we'll never use that ever again. Now let's play. Okay, let's play. But first, spawning giraffe cat. I mean, brainwashed. Bro. Okay. This is already hard. Forgot to bring a starter cat. I'll bring a starter cat. Replaced it by you. It didn't even make sense. Anyways, let's go back. Titan, come back. I'll just do anything to just get this. You defeat these, right? Destroy all these guys. Kill them. Why is it so fast? This seems impossible. Bro. I'll just keep trying. Oh, what is this? Three times. I don't wanna. Can't do that anymore. Wait a second. Why am I in the Gray Scotch, which is one of my videos? You better check it out. And what was the crazy Titan cat? We should try. Oh wait, I forgot. Well, let's just take. Well, let's just. I don't know. Quit the video or something. I don't know. Let's do this. And let's okay, I don't care anymore. And that's kind of it. See me losing. Before that, but you should ignore the background. Well, I isn't